Salibani ihlobo zami zonke labo wethu nje esazanayo. Libone njalo yimo Aliphius Maparuma abangabazi ukuthi yeswethu. Lapha thina ithi sithula Amangqina lapha. Amangqina yathanda kakhulu sithula Amangqina. Ayathanda kakhulu Amangqina ba.
Hi, welcome to Magriza Main Cook. My name is Prince Sivalamashang. So today's show, we want to look at a process of how cow hooves are prepared. So I think we're just accustomed to walking into a butcher and also buying that as they are prepared. But today we just want to guide you through a process, both from the cultural and also from the commercial perspective. These are the cows, the native names or the indigenous names, Amangqina, Mazondo and Masumba. So generally, from my understanding, the bag should be normally between 1.5 to 2.5 and extreme also at 3 kg. So we're going to prepare this 31, which is 3 kg, and there's also the front one. Let's see, this also weighs 1.9. So this also between 1.5 and 2 kg. So we're going to discuss also the cultural narratives involved in the preparation of Amangqina. Welcome to the show.
Lapha thina ithi sithula Amangqina lapha. Amangqina yathanda kakhulu sithula Amangqina. Ngoba Amangqina sibili hayi kakhulu elaphambili. Elaphambili elamafutha kakhulu. So vela la kona oqala first sathi ubasa umlilo. Umlilo lo yenza ukuthi saphusa Amangqina la. Sikhiphe izibane la. Umlilo lapha kakhulu emlilweni ngapha. Yabesithi ngami umlilo. Yabafu umlilo omningi kakhulu. Yafuna ilangabi nje ngokwalo just ukuthi lifusa. Amangqina lisala kuyigogo nje ungathi kwaye kakhulu uzosala ikhanya ithambo ngoba into efunakala kwenye lokho kanti sathi isigogo kanti ngoba ithamba lehle bese siwevini yoninja ngwalaza liqhobe ekukhwayeni yazofuna ingqamu nje ayiphanda phakathi ivini ingabukho bukhali kakhulu ekobuthundu uze ukwazi uphane kudla ngakho konke so wakhipha lenqagu leza icetho zangikhona ngoba nawo isikhathi ngakhipha kudla ingqamu lento isiza ingqamu lento bese ukwazi ukuthola nje indawo enganiqinile uchayelele phansi liyaphuma sibili lewela le kachana ngoba noma lichisanga lapha inqaku bathi inqaku laza sigwayeza ukuphuma sike ukuthi qale zithisa zuze umlilo yithi kakhulu ike siphuma khona kuhle ya khona lapha nje ngilifusa lapha uthi uzubona ukuthi celebrate ukuthi sowale phana yawuzibona ngeziboya zangikhona ukuthi lebe singasaziboya lebe selilula nje lengochaya ingqamu yazigijima nje kuphela so uqede ngakho kwabana so kathi ukukhipha inqagu lezi zikhona phambili zikhona lezi ezalapha ezokuguqa then so alifaka emazini apha besizela nje ukuthi sikhiphe umnuko lwana nomsizo lathi ngisifusa ngawo ugeseni apha bengigesa ukuthi ngikhiphe wonke nje wabona nje amanzi wonke abemnyama unenxa uxhothisa lapha umsobho khona yebo ngababi yebo umnandi sibuhle kuhle unganuka intuthu unganuka umlilo lo ikwenza ukuthi ngigezi qedwe kungangigeza ngoba ngathela amanzi sendiphala ngiphala konke lokuphala ka ngikhiphe everything idoti yonke direct to uthi efake embizeni sivela liqhumisa so lapha ufusa lokuyana kwengezinye izindlela ukuthi uyangothi uthanda liphi nje amade ngikhuluma ngithanda le yani linuka intuthu ngoba zakhwela abakhulu emakhaya ngale lapho ngala Magriza khona kwesivalo ngale enkaya so njengoba bedrobheni lapha yakwazi ukuthi uliphale ngereza ukwayi reza usale vela liclean nje ukhipha iziboya leya so then ngenye indlela futhi yakwazi ukuthi ubilisa amanzi ulifake phakathi nje apho sesembe 5 minutes or 10 minutes ngoba amanzi ngoba engaqanda so ulikhipha so wathatha ngengqamu futhi yakwazi ukuthi ukhwayi yonke yaphuma konke iziboya zonke ndingawusayele mbijana nje sobo phanje mbijana just ungomlilo nje uphela ukuthi ukhipha kwiziboya leza izabe sisalile So kudala sibili amangqina andaba zasikise njalo lapha emathawuni ngale emakhaya uqeda nje ukulungisa nje indlela engikhuluma ngayo la so kwathi uthatha ihloko lakho nje uligamla amapieces nje kuhle but ukhaya umkantshana ungaphumi umkantshana yese bese ufune yoqinisa.
So cows generally in African tradition hold so much significance. Apart from them being sort of like indicators of health, there are several cultural and traditional uses of a cow. Looking at ibile, looking at what we call inyongo, but here specifically if we're looking at cow hooves, amangqina, you find that in other countries, also here in Africa, they do not consume amangqina or inshogo, the hooves and also the ox head. But here in Zimbabwe generally, most of the cultures consume sort of the whole cow if you're looking at from top going down. So specifically if we are looking at cows, there are several cultural narratives that we're going to discuss as our guest is going to show us on how you use the soup of amangqina to combine with the herb that's known as Imbiza, yabobaba. So also generally looking at it further, there are other also cultures, if you look at Western cultures, also Eastern cultures, that do not consume the whole cow but only consume the main frame of the cow, which is looking at the midsection, the brisket and so on.
Umsobho ojiyileyo kakhulu njengathi abantu abangobaba yakwazi ufa ukuyihlatha nje izabadala leza uthi yabonatha ezoqinisa amaqolo nje yathi izingane sesiphele so even umntwana nje ongumfana nje ukukhulela ukunatha nje ngokuya ngokungeza lesihlatha iqolo liqinile akona ukuthi bana ngikhothama kuhle kuyala ukuthi uphakame amangqina ayanceda umsobho lo so ingqina bana indlela niwenze lithanda ngayo lithandele nje ukuthi aliqedi mafutha afake mafutha ananda ukuthi afake i-aromat onion whatever no ingredients ongayi-add vele lawo umthetho walo kwalo vele even iglue kwakwale emadolweni ngawani wexhega amadolo liyancedisa ngawani ukuthi lixhegwanyana mbijana kulenisibona abafana abagqinanga abawayo nika umsobho amangqina lo ukugijimisa isisu wanatha kakhulu umsobho wangikhona namangqina lo uyakwazi ukuthi umuthi uyakwazi ukugijimisa sathi ukhipha ngaphansi nga uyabuklina kwabani esiswini mina kakhulu owazedla ingqina ngathi uyakhuthekela bobaba ngoba la kudala sibingqina vele kwakuvele idliwa abantu abangobaba ngoba lapha uyawadla ungasalidlanga wena uyabuya indoda ubaba lana waqinanga kakhulu ngasemasimini abana ngasemahlokeni hayi awusebenzeki awunamandla ngathi awunaphamu ngiyakucela ukuthi wena wazulile suze namuhla umboni ngophekela ingqini qinisa iqolo qinisa amadolo ube ngubaba oqinile mina ngathi ngibona kulula kakhulu kakhulu ulungisela amangqina ndawo lenhloko ngibona amangqina kakhulu ngathi kulula ngoba inhloko lapha sokuze ngiqala ngiyikhiphe isikhumba lesiyana ngiqalisa futhi ukuthi ngikhiphe amathambo lana kwenzela ukuthi amathambo la inyama engahlali namathambo kunabantwana kunabagogo abanye abagwazile kuhlafuna so ukuze inyama lani iba lula amathambo nganye inyama ezivuthiwe yayobuka ikukhipha nje amathambo lami ujikije nakala udle inyama yakho nje ifuna ukuthi ivuthwe nje uyafana nengqina futhi livuthwe ninika isikhathi livuthwe kuhle kuhle kakhulu ingqina ngawulidla ingqina walidla ngesitshwala ipapa walidla nje lilodwa nje linjalo ayila problem indlela ngane ongalidla ngalo umbe zathi la ngechakata kakhulu isimple nqutsho orumphoko kuyavuma khona lapha mina vele njengoba ngimbalisile ukuthi ungalidla ngepapa ulidle ngechakata nqutsho umbulidle nje athi linjalo manje mina ngithanda ukuthi ngilidle linjalo lingalasithakada lingalasithwala lingalolutho ibe nathi umsobho lalo phela ngifake isihlahla zami natha ngazo njalo ibona nje ineqhaga lami lapha ngiyabe ngithanga ngisehlisa kuyahambelana nathi umqombothi wami utshwala besintwini yakho njengesikhuni abakuziphekela isigodoka 7 days kuyahambelana nengqini ibe zidla ngapha zithi cha zisehlisa ngiyaqina manje indoda. Uyabona amangqina lawo konke uqakathekile ngoba into esasivele sidla nakudala esikade konke lo mqombothi wami sibe siziphekile umqombothi wami ukulima amabele uphoko lani uphoko zathi uphoko namabele namanzi lempuphu yemumbu la yikathi uvele ukusebenzisa kakhulu hlazo lenkulu upheke nje ngoba so ngicela bakithi sibuyelele emasikweni ethu ulana vele siwenza siyagijimiza kolokhala kuthiwa ngokwesilungu ngokwesilungu lesi siyasiphelela njengoba ukuthi kade isikhathi okesihamba lokho sesitshintsha sitshintsha so asenzeni ukuthi ngaze sibuyela emakhaya kungasikhathazi sibekwazi into le vele sijayele akona ukuqalisela emakhaya kuza kwenzimela ukuthi ukuqalisa ukuthi sisivunza kathesi ukuthi shwa samabele siyadliwa siyagijima ukuthi sibe sidla lokho ngwaphalenta umumbo yabo kuchoboliwe asidleni ngokuya ozugayisana jayisana lesikuba sidle lamangqina sinathe umqombothi sidle lo lesihlahla nje leziphiwa bokhulu imigugudu umfufu nanontolwane kulungile kuqathekile ngokuya kuyaqeda konke lemikhuhlane emini untolwane bona uzathola ukuthi kwabedrobheni uzokuya esibhedlela bekunika amaphilisi imithi nje omunye bongancedi kodwa uzothothwa hayi lokhu umizwa umfufu lokho ngisathi mbihlahla esinje so kuyanceda wathi ubona ukuthi vele athi ezinangu kade ngikhuluma ukuthi nxa silungise amangqina lawo ube inhlobo lasiwosa njento okadeni kwakudala yena intuthu yelana izifutho ngoba yena zale isihlahla ebusebenzisa wosa isihlahla sokuthi even lakedelele umlotho khona wathi upheka ngaledelele umlotho lwa so ebonga somlotho lwa wathi uyipoison yakobulalayo awubulali usomlotho lwa ungena uyakulapha zathi intuthu la yabe kulapha phakathi uyakhipha umkhuhlane wonke uyabulawa udenda uyakwazi ukuphuma ukukhohlela ukhipha inkatho odenda uze ususiza utshaya umoya so azameni ukuthi bakithi into zosiko lethu singalahli.
Our goal, and also as you see with the progression of the channel, is also to present how some of these cultural traditional foodstuffs and show you how they are prepared. So if you're interested on how amangqina are cooked, I'll just leave a link somewhere here where we cooked I'll guide you a process on preparing amangqina. There's also 5 serving options, so we did that video last year. So tell me what you think in terms of the preparation Ukufusa Amangqina. Or you'll be just willing to just walk into a supermarket and just purchase amangqina. And also I know in places such as in Johannesburg where you can get good quality amangqina and also good quality in Hlogo. Some of the food stalls there that are there in the city of Joburg, and also I know in Harare, in Lusaka, you can get good amangqina. So tell me your thoughts, your views on cow hooves. Are you a fan, or you just have like in Hlogo? Personally, I love in Hlogo more than amangqina, but what I love mostly, or what I like extract from amangqina is the soup, as I also mix it when I'm consuming Imbiza, yabobaba. This is Prince Sibanda Mahlangu. Thank you for watching. Remember, keep the love, keep the Ubuntu. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and let's grow together in this community on YouTube. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.